Have you ever wondered how the top rental property owners manage to keep their finances in perfect order? What if I told you there's a simple tool that can help you do exactly the same? Well, you're in the right place, because we're about to introduce you to something that could completely change. This is for all the property owners out there, whether you're just starting with your first rental unit or managing a whole portfolio. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by tracking income and expenses, or if you're simply looking for a better way to stay organized, this tool is made for you. We're talking about a free, easy-to-use spreadsheet that lets you track every dollar you earn and spend on your rental properties. It's designed to be simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for seasoned investors. With this tool, you can quickly see where your money is going, stay on top of. Whether you're managing a single property or multiple units, this spreadsheet is tailored to make your life easier. No more guessing where your money went or worrying about missing an expense. This tool helps you stay organized and in control. So if you're ready to simplify your rental property accounting and take your business to the next level, stick with us. We're going to walk you through how to use this tool step by step. Let's dive into the video and get started. Let's start with the foundation, the setup sheet. Here's where everything begins. You choose your currency, set your start date, and enter your profit goals for the year. Simple, right? But what happens next is where the magic starts to unfold. On the left side, you've got your income streams laid out, everything from pet fees to rent income. But on the right, you'll find your expense categories, and this is where things get interesting to help you manage every penny effortlessly. Now, let me ask you this: how often do you set monthly profit goals but lose track halfway through the year? Here, you'll have a clear path laid out in front of you, keeping you focused and on target. The setup sheet is designed to make your financial tracking as painless as possible. It's all about giving you a clear overview from day one, so you know exactly where you stand and where you're headed. Next, let's talk about logging your income and expenses. This is where the details matter. The income and expenses tracker sheet helps you track every dollar that comes into your rental business, categorized by date, type, and even IRS category. It's all right there, organized for you. For those of you who love details, the income and expenses tracker is going to be your best friend. Every transaction meticulously logged and categorized. This is where you see the day-to-day heartbeat of your rental business. Imagine getting a bird's eye view of your entire rental portfolio, where you can effortlessly see the income, expenses, and net profit for each property, all in one place. The summary sheet gives you this complete overview, offering a clear comparison of your total income, detailed expenses, and TH. So what's next? If you're ready to take your rental business to the next level, download this template now. Don't just survive, thrive. Click the link below, and let's get started on turning your rental properties into a well-oiled financial machine. Drowning in receipts? Struggling to keep up with the bookkeeping chaos? Meet Circular.io, your AI-powered bookkeeping assistant. Upload a receipt or import bank activities, and Circular handles the rest quick and easy. Save your time, reduce errors, and stay on top of your finances effortlessly. No credit card required. Start your free trial today and discover the future of bookkeeping.